Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not showing active friends. So, when you open your Messenger app, and here you will see a list of friends here, but you don't see active these friends or not. So, you can do it as for Android, as for iPhone iOS as well. Just tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, and in this list you will see active status. Just tap on it. This means if you don't enable show when you are active, you not see when your friends active, and not see your friends when you active. Okay, we just swipe the slider to the right side to enable this option and show when you are active together. Swipe the slider to the right side, then go back and tap on done. And here you can see this green circle near your friend. This means your friend now is active. And if this don't help you, we just delete Messenger. Just hold finger on Messenger, then tap on remove app, then tap delete app, and from pop-up menu confirm delete app. Then when you delete Messenger app, open App Store or Google Play Market or Google Play Store. Just on search enter Messenger, and then of course reinstall your Messenger app, as you can see here, and install again Messenger, and all your active friends showing on Messenger now.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.